Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Greg McCloskey from ForexLive.com. This is a Forex Quick Look. I'm going to take a look at the dollar versus Canada. It's moving back to the downside after racing higher after the US GDP data. What are the technicals telling us? I'll go through it in this video. Now, this week we've seen lots of ups and downs, down and then up and then down and then up and then back down again. In trading today, we've seen, lots of volatility. The move to the upside here was helped by the U.S. Data that came out today, which was stronger than expected. And then things started to rotate back to the downside here as stocks increased. And we also saw the U.S. yields come down a bit off their highs. They're still higher on the day. Nevertheless, a rotation and a retracement of the full gain to the upside after the U.S. GDP data. Now, technically, the price high that we saw in price highs that we saw in the last two trading days has moved up to the high of this swing area. This swing area is defined by a number of different swing lows and swing highs going back in time. Here are the lots of support levels, and then we started to move below that level and then use these levels as resistance. And the inability to get above those levels and move toward our 200-hour moving average, this green line right here on this chart, helped to give the sellers some added confidence. And when this price started to trade back below the 100-hour moving average and back below the 38.2% retracement of this move to the upside, that's when things started to unravel even more to the downside, and we've seen that momentum continue. Now we are now into another swing area here. This swing area is defined by, again, different swing lows and swing highs going back in time, starting right here. And then we had another low here before moving to the upside. Then we came back down to that level a few days ago. Found support buyers here, here, here. A nice floor developed here before breaking to the upside. And then trading before the U.S. GDP data, the price came into that swing area, found support buyers, and now we're back down after making, new lows for the day. And finding support, though, near the 50% of the same move to the upside here. So that 50% is in play, as is the low prices for the day. And if we and the swing areas, if the price were to get below both the 50% and the low of the swing area, 136.54, we could expect further selling pressure with the 61.8% retracement and the rising 200-bar moving average as the next key target on the downside. So trading at the lows near key support. We'll see if that can hold. If we do get back above the 100-bar moving average of the 4-hour chart, that would probably give buyers some hope that the ups and downs are continued in its currency pair. So that's my tactical look at the dollar versus Canada. My name is Greg McCloskey. Good fortune with your trading. Bye-bye now.